Yo, what up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to create a Credit Karma account. Let's get straight into it. So to create a Credit Karma account, just follow these simple steps. The first is to go to Credit Karma's website, or you can download the Credit Karma mobile app and just click on sign up and enter your email address and a password. Now you gotta provide your personal information, including your name, your address, and your social security number. Once that's done, just verify your identity by answering security questions. And once you go through all that, just review and agree to Credit Karma's terms of service. And confirm your email address by clicking on the verification link that's sent by Credit Karma to your email. Once that's done, you can set up your account security questions and answers, just to make your account more secure. And lastly, you're gonna link your bank accounts or credit cards as well as other financial accounts, so you can track your credits and financial activities. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to create a Credit Karma account. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.